Alright everybody, Larry here, Mitchell's RC's back at you with the KYOSHO Blizzard 2.0. I've gotten one motor ripped out in ESC already here. I had to take out the arm that runs the blade right now because this motor is a little bit longer. I'm going to have to turn the arm on the servo a little bit to get this to run by. Nothing major. Nothing major at all, no big deal. I'm going to take the plow off it anyways to run it for a little bit here in that sticky snow outside. I was noticing yesterday when I was running it, the plow kept getting hung up, and that's what was getting me stuck. So we'll try running it without the plow, and I'll put the plow on just when I want to play with the plow. So I've ripped out one. I've got one in so far, guys. Switched over to a 2S battery. Now these ESC's do have an on and off switch, but don't worry about that. Just leave the on and off switch to on, and that will allow you to still control the car with the vehicle with the button on the back. See, that allows me to still power it up. Now there's the drive for that side hooked up. So now all I gotta do, guys, is rip out this one that I wrote bad on so I don't mess up. Put in the other motor and she'll be ready to go. So I'm going to set you guys up here so you can kind of see, and I'll show you how to take it out. It's real simple to change these on it. Real simple to change these motors. So I'll get right back to you here. Okay, everything on this, guys, is Phillips screws. So first, let's get this gear off. These are plastic gears. You can upgrade them if you want, and most likely I'm going to end up upgrading these gears where I'm running brushless now. For right now, I'm going to keep it on 2S because I think 3S is just going to be way too much for it. So I'm going to keep it on 2S until I get the upgraded gears and stuff like that. Then once I get that stuff, then we'll play around with 3S a little bit. I think it's going to be plenty fast enough on 2S, guys, for what it is. You want to make sure when you start a Phillips you get on as square as possible and hold as much pressure on it as you can as you turn it to get it started, guys. That way you don't strip them out. And make sure you've got the right size tip Phillips, because Phillips do come in different size tips, guys. Just so you know that. Get them both started and take them out. I can't believe this little motor fried so fast. I mean, it locked right up. You can see in the video, guys, that the track wouldn't even turn, so that means this something in this motor had catastrophic failure. Locked it right up solid. And then when I took it apart and get pushing on the gear, it freed up. Oh wow, yeah. What the heck is that? I guess that other one has it too. Oh, okay, guys, they've got sleeves on them, so the motors will be big enough, shafts will be big enough for the gear. That's kind of cool. I've never seen that before. I'm not going to throw this old motor out. I'm going to keep it just in case I need the wires off it or something else. I keep everything. I don't know why. I'm weird like that. Remember, when you're putting this back together, guys, this piece here that you're bolting into is plastic, so try not to over torque your screws when you put them in the motor, because you will break that. Let's give it a little drop of the thread seal here. Whoa, said a little drop. I'm a little crazy there. Screw in there first so I can see it, find the hole. And when you're putting this stuff together, guys, get it started. and then stop. Leave it nice and loose so you have no issue starting your other screw. If you tighten that right up, it's just going to give you a harder time getting your next screw connected into the hole there, especially if you need just a little bit of wiggle. You have that tight, it's not going to allow it. Same putting them in. Get a nice firm push on it. Keep yourself as square as possible. What am I doing? I'm tighten that, yeah. Okay. This little gear back. There again, you don't have to kill it, guys. Just lock it down nice and snug. Now I noticed when I took these gears out, they had no play. They're locked solid tight. And I didn't like that. So I'm giving them a little tiny bit of play, guys, okay? And if I see that that doesn't work because they're plastic and they start messing up, then I'll put them tighter. But for right now, I'm going to leave them with just a little bit of play. Again, I'm just going to hold it nice and square, push in, get it to just at the snug, and then go to the other one. Do the same thing. Check that gear real quick if I get everything tight. Like I said, remember, you put these screws in the plastic, guys, so just snug them up so they're nice and so they're firm. And then once they get firm, give them a little tiny bit, and then just stop. Inside the box, we have plenty of room. The receiver was here, guys. I just moved it over to there. That allowed me to put this ESC here. Why I want that ESC here is because there's already a cutout in the box for it. That way I can run these wires over down to the cutoff, and then we won't have any pinching. And that allows me, I got to put a little piece of sticky tape on the bottom of this to hold it there, which we have some of that right here. And this ESC, guys, is going to fit right in there like that. And we'll still be able to close the lid. So, yeah, there's plenty of room to do this. So let me set you back down here and I'll get doing a little more in here. Hope you guys can see everything okay. ESC stuck down here on that side real quick. Let's get this one out of the way. Oh, I'm so excited about the snow, guys, coming this winter. I got so many different little things I want to try and do and stuff, so I can't wait. Hopefully you guys are enjoying what I'm doing here. If there's anything you guys want to see special, you know, on the channel that I might be able to do, just let me know, and we'll give it a shot. extra strength, waterproof, sticky stuff I got. I don't remember the name of it now, because I took it out of the box. But it works well. And if you guys watch my videos, you know I do a lot of water stuff with my cars that I probably shouldn't do. That's why I buy this waterproof stuff. These little plastic things come off hard sometimes. Alright, we're gonna get a knife here, guys. There we go. Now, I'll hook these wires up, see which way they go. Thinking I gotta cross them like I did on the other side to get them to run the way I want them to run. So, let's plug this in here. Nice tight. Oh, wow, nice and tight. Got some wire cleaning up to do here when I'm done. But it won't be too bad. Okay, so let's see if she powers on. Yep, she's on. Grab the remote here. Test that track. Okay, so this one wants to be the other way. There we have it, guys. Like I said, I don't have control of the blade right now, but that's coming off for a little bit anyways. So there you have it, guys. That's all it takes to swap the motors out on these KYOSHO Blizzards into a little brushless system. If you guys want to know what I used and stuff like that, just leave me a comment after the video and I'll message back to you exactly everything I used. But these are 2838s. These are 3600 kVs. These are for 1/16 scale. Is what I bought them for, brushless, 1/16 scale, and they fit perfect, guys. And the ESC'S, 35 amp ESC'S. I was gonna go with the 25s, and then I just heck with it. You know me. I need the more power I can get, the better. So I said heck with it. I went with the 35s. But yeah, it's gonna be a blast, guys. Looks like she's gonna be a screamer. We can see if I get the camera set up here just right, and I'll set it. Just give it a little run on the floor real quick so you guys can we can kind of check it out. Remember, the blade's not going to go up because I got that unhooked. So the blade's just going to be dragging on the ground right now, guys. It's set up for brake, guys. Well, there we have it, guys. So, next video, we'll be out running this baby in the snow. So, there you go. Don't be afraid. Try to work on your stuff yourself, guys. It's not that hard. And this is Larry at Mitchell's RC saying happy holidays, and we'll see you later.